With Syrian President Bashar al-Assad's forces closing in on the rebel stronghold of eastern Aleppo, he looks more likely than ever to win back the strategic city, and with it, his supporters say, the civil war. But after 5 years of bloodshed, no victory in Syria is ever really decisive. The geography of control here has been drastically changed by local insurgencies and foreign interventions. It is hard to imagine Syria ever returning to the centralized state it was run by in 2011, when protesters took to the streets against 4 decades of Assad family rule. Hundreds of thousands of Syrians have died, entire city districts have been razed by bombardment, and more than half the population have fled their homes. Even if the war stopped today, which it won't, estimates for the financial toll range from $180 to $275 billion. Russia, Iran, and regional Shia militias like Lebanon's Hezbollah have helped Mr. Assad win back what some observers cynically call useful Syria. That is, the major population centers that stretch from Syria's north along the Mediterranean coast down to the Lebanese border and into the capital of Damascus. But on a map, Syria is still a kaleidoscope of fiefdoms. The jihadist group ISIS holds swaths of eastern Syria. A powerful Kurdish militia controls the northeast. Even the badly bruised rebels still cling to an archipelago of territory across the country, with some of those pockets quite close to Damascus and the Lebanese border. Rebels believe they and their supporters can play the long game. They may lose the war, they say, but Mr. Assad's foreign backers can't stay forever. And they believe that as those forces draw down, their tens of thousands of supporters will be waiting for the next chance to strike.